First, here's the result. As I move my hand closer and farther away, the sensor instantly detects the distance. Welcome to Alex 3D Works. Today, I'm going to show you how to measure distance using the HC-SR04 Ultrasonic sensor and an Arduino Nano in just a couple of minutes. These are the components you need: an Arduino Nano, the HC-SR04 Ultrasonic sensor, a breadboard, and 4 jumper wires. Let's wire it up. Connect VCC to 5 volts, GND to ground, the TRIG pin to digital pin D5, and the echo pin to digital pin D4. If echo isn't on D4, you'll get unstable or jumping readings. You can use D9 or D10 as well. Here's the idea. The Arduino sends a short trigger pulse. The sensor emits a sound wave, and when the echo returns, the Arduino measures how long it took. That time is converted into distance in centimeters. Now let's look at the code. You can download the full sketch from my website, alex3dworks.com. The link is in the description. I also added a timeout and a small filter so the distance stays stable even when nothing is detected. And here's the final result. As I move my hand, the readings update smoothly in real time. This same technique is used in robot cars for obstacle detection. You can find the complete code, wiring diagram, and notes on alex3dworks.com. If you're learning Arduino, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next beginner tutorial.